What's happening in the world of global trade this month? Well, there's a dynamic mix of news and developments that are shaping the future of international commerce. First up, the world of merchandise trade is poised for a rebound this year. Projected growth is expected to clock in at around 2.6%. A variety of factors are fueling this upswing. Recovering international travel is playing a significant role, as is the booming demand for digital services. Sporting events in Europe are also contributing to the uptick in trade. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Geopolitical tensions and protectionism loom on the horizon as potential risks that could stifle this growth. In other news, the EU-US Trade and Technology Council is making strides in the world of technology and semiconductor supply chains. The Council's focus is on enhancing bilateral trade and addressing unfair trade practices. By promoting cooperation on technology, supply chains, and sustainable trade, the Council aims to bolster the economic relationship between the European Union and the United States. Now let's shift gears and talk about luxury retail. LVMH, a conglomerate known for its high-end handbags and perfumes, now accounts for a staggering 4% of French exports. That's a significant slice of the pie, underscoring the power of the luxury goods market. European ports, meanwhile, are grappling with challenges related to imported vehicles. Efforts are also ongoing to clear the wreckage from the Baltimore Bridge collapse. On a more positive note, the United Arab Emirates is strengthening its international ties, signing economic partnership agreements with Colombia and Costa Rica. Over in the United States, the Inflation Reduction Act is reshaping global industrial policies. A key aspect of this is the move toward building domestic clean energy supply chains. Asia's garment industry is also in the spotlight. It's proving to be a key entry point for women into the formal workplace. This is a significant development, given the role of women in driving economic growth. Finally, a word on frontier markets. These are often misunderstood in investment decisions. Yet they represent a wealth of potential for savvy investors willing to venture beyond traditional markets. To recap, global merchandise trade is set for a rebound. The EU-US Trade and Technology Council is making strides, luxury retail is playing a substantial role in French exports, and the garment industry is opening doors for women in Asia. Meanwhile, the United States is ushering in new industrial policies, and frontier markets are emerging as potential investment hotspots. The world of trade is ever-changing, and these stories demonstrate the dynamic nature of the global marketplace. So, stay tuned, keep informed, and navigate your way through the world of international commerce with confidence and insight.